दोस्तों, India's Make in India program has reached to another level, and in this particular video we will see that how India has moved one step closer to becoming the manufacturing hub of the world. Well, welcome back to the channel. Namaste ji, and let's get started. So in this particular video we will talk about shipping industry. So in shipping industry till now three major nations were there: USA, Germany and Norway, and these three nations were known as the shipbuilding nations because most of the shipbuilding related activities used to happen in these three nations, and then these three nations used to sell it to most of the world. Well, but now India has turned the tide, and now India has started supplying green ships to other countries. Well, by green ships I mean that those ships which run on less polluting fuels, be it methanol or green hydrogen or hybrid batteries or electricity. Well, this all started when global leaders came together and they started talking about climate change. But also we must realize that although ships carry majority of the goods all around the world, but ships are also responsible for producing a substantial chunk of greenhouse gases, and that is when global leaders decided that shipping industry need a fix. Well, but as usual India was looking at Europe or at USA that someone will build a green ship and then we'll go and we'll buy from that. But surprisingly, Kochi-based Cochin Shipyard Limited, also known as CSL, developed green ships and has already sold 2 ships to Norway. Well, but apart from this, CSL has also furthermore orders in its pipeline. It has got orders from 2 European clients. It has got a separate order of supplying 2 container ships to Norway and 8 eco-freighter cargo ships to Germany. And apart from CSL, Goa-based Chogulan company has bagged another order of providing 8 electric hybrid cargo vessels to a European client. And apart from Norway, Germany and USA, these 2 companies are also almost close to striking deals with countries such as Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, West Asia and other European nations. So well, as of now, most advanced countries in the world are placing orders with India, and this is a clear indication that India's Make in India program is becoming successful and India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative is getting strengthened. So thank you so much for watching the video and stay tuned.